Welcome back to another vlog. I'm with Gilly.
Yo, what's up? What's up?
We are currently here in LA. Maybe we'll do a tour.
Yeah.
But we are here for a week. We got a lot of things planned for you guys.
Yeah. And this is the first big thing.
First big thing. I think tomorrow. Just to let you guys know what we're doing so far, we are going to see the Clippers tomorrow, and one of the highlights is what we're seeing in Kiss of Life on Wednesday. And
the rest of it, we're gonna wing it.
we're winging the whole day. So we are about to
Shibuya food.
let's get some food. So we'll catch you guys next time.
We'll see you at the food place. Today we cook hot pot. I think this is the lab. What was the other one we got? Angus beef? Hey guys, me and Chanel are going to a race.
Chanel.
Ow!
No, that's fine.
That's what Pokey called you earlier.
No, he didn't.
Don't lie, don't lie.
I was like, Charlene? Chanel?
Chanel.
No, you said two names that were like deviations from Charlene.
What names?
You said Chanel and you said another one, Charlotte or something.
I did not say Charlotte.
I know.
That's not Filipino at all.
Yeah, so we're going to a rave after, and she's gonna take us to the best rave spot ever.
I swear to God, I heard something else.
Oh, where's the best rave spot?
The race spot.
Yeah.
They're closed. You have to like see like the.
Well, do you need tickets too?
She has tickets for us.
I don't even see like the theme.
When was the last time you went to a rave? Because he's talking like you go every weekend.
No, I went to Zed.
Oh.
In Head in the Clouds? Head in the Clouds? That was the last time? That was last week, bro.
No, I went this year. Which one was this year? Zed.
What?
Yo, bro.
How many drinks have you had?
It was this year.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
This is heading, but I'm sleepy as hell. I'm that tired.
Yeah, you're jet lagged.
You need some alcohol.
Wait, you should be tired. You had the whole like pod.
Yeah, but still, I'm tired. I woke up mad early.
Okay, but we go all out tomorrow.
You have the game tomorrow.
Yeah, after.
After the game?
Yeah.
Well, it's Sunday.
Oh, that's true.
Oh, yeah.
It's mad graded. It's mad graded.
Hey guys, we're here at Hypeland. It's kind of like a Hypebeast store, but it's the own brand and it's a cool spot. Like, look how cool this is.
That's pretty tough.
Shout out to Drift. For ladies. Hey guys, we're going to the Dome to watch the LA Clippers versus the Nuggets, yo. And we're gonna see our suite. So we'll catch you when we're there.
We are heading inside the Intuit Dome. Is that what's it called? Inuit?
called the Dome?
Is it called an Inuit or Intuit? I'm into it though.
I don't even feel like we're in the right area.
Oh no.
Don't pedestrian access.
What?
I told you should have just dropped us off.
Do we go straight? Do we go straight? Thank you. Oh, we are in the Intuit Dome.
Yo, we're here at the Dome.
Yo, you go hoop. What the fuck?
I've never seen a, what do you call it, a stadium like this.
Wait, this is dope. Wait, I'm gonna show. Nah, this is fire, bro. Yo, who puts a freaking basketball court outside the arena?
It's so big, look at the screen. full court too.
Yeah, it is.
We're going to play a ball in the club.
We gotta find out where the VIP section is at. Nah, this is it, bro. I'm into it. I'm so into it. Yeah, Clippers! Go Clippers! Go Clippers! Go Clippers! What is this? There's a court in the freaking arena too. Let's go back. Let's go Nets. Let's go Nets.
Yo, Gus Sweet here at the. What do you call it? What do you call the stadium?
Into it.
Into it.
I'm into it. I'm so into it. It's crazy.
Dang, yo, all to ourselves. 2 of us.
We could have brought our laptops and played TFT right now.
Yeah, on the big screen right there.
On the big screen. We got our own sink. We got our fridge.
We're on hot dog warmers.
And we gotta see our seats. What the? This is crazy. Dude, you could change the channel. You could change the channel. That's Yo, I'm into it. I'm so into it. Morning, guys. It is Monday morning. Gilly just left to see Kat. He had to pick up a car, and we're gonna see each other later. But today I'm just chilling at the place. I'm gonna hang out with my godbrother a little in the afternoon. But I just recently got breakfast. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. First, we're starting off with the mango juice. Mango is always my favorite. It's either mango or pineapple. And I've been craving Filipino food for the longest time, and dude, I'm actually so excited. So yesterday we went to the Clippers game, and we probably already showed the clips already, but we had a sweet, crazy experience. I forgot the name. The dome. I kept on saying it yesterday, but the dome was freaking crazy. The wall was crazy. The jumbotron is crazy. But yeah. So this is what I got. Wait, I don't have. Oh, I do have. Let me just fix it up a bit. So I've been craving Filipino food for the longest time, and dang, I'm so excited for this. This is gonna eat. This is gonna hit. I'm gonna show y'all. I got. How do I show this? I got. It's called long silog. So it's basically garlic rice and egg and longanisa, and I got the vinegar too. So, yo, this is good to smack, bro. Yeah, I'm excited, dude. I'm trying to learn how to vlog properly. Maybe when Vaughn comes tomorrow, we'll hang out and whatnot. Vaughn's coming in the afternoon. Oh, let me tell you what we're doing for the rest of the week. So tomorrow, Tuesday, I'm getting a haircut. Legit, my hair is cooked. I haven't gotten a haircut in a month. My barber at home canceled on me. He had like a family emergency. All good. So I am going to a barber shop in the Grove tomorrow. And yeah, Gilly and I were gonna go there. Then see Vaughn. I'm not sure what we're doing at night. But Wednesday is a Kiss of Life concert. Thursday we are meeting up with some alphas. We met brother Joe yesterday. Sunday we had some crazy ass sandwiches. So good. But I'm gonna chow down. I'm gonna do some reactions today. I have a little bit of time before I hang out with my godbrother. So yeah, I'll put some Gilly clips with his hang out with Kat. So I'll see you guys later.
Oh, ready? Yay! We're singing Happy Birthday, guys! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gilly. Happy birthday to you.
Okay. Oh, should I make a wish?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah!
No, someone subbed, bro.
You're almost at the 1 minute mark. The dogs are
Wait, I'm being nerfed. I'm being nerfed. I'm being nerfed.
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay.
You have 1 more minute left.
He's tickling me.
Nani said I can't even do 10 seconds. 50 seconds. Keep going. You're doing great. Look, the dogs are helping Gilly. I know. They're like so happy that Gilly's on the floor with them. This is actually so cute. Wait, look at the camera, Gilly.
I can't. I'm dying.
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Oh my god.
30, 29, 28, 27. Stand closer to me.
What the frig? Oh my god. Guys, I'm never doing a TikTok again. Bro. 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 Okay.
It's a Nets jersey.
Is it?
It's a Cam Thomas jersey.
Oh, God.
I hope it's like.
I'm nervous, bro.
I hope it's a EG Beyond. I hope it is.
It's a Jason Kidd jersey for New York.
Oh, man, there's a couple things in there.
I only bought one shit. Fuck, I'm not that rich. Don't look at that. Okay.
Don't look at it. Okay.
It's
go
nice
ahead.
packaging too.
Alright.
Hope the back says.
Oh, that's tough. That's fucking tough, bro. Yo. I'm not gonna front. I was gonna cop this. I was gonna cop this for myself. That's
Oh, that's
tough.
that one. Nice.
Yo, good looking, bro.
Oh, I know you.
Fucking tough.
Dude, they don't have any nuts. I was like, where's mine?
Oh, you're right. It did come in a net. Yeah.
There's only like Lakers, Bulls, Knicks.
Yo, good looking, bro.
But I would have made that for.
I'm not going for credit.
That's a British.
Guys, I'm drunk as Yes. We're fucking drunk.
Wow.
We just had Brazilian barbecue. Now I am drunk.
That's just some
I had too many drinks, and it's fine.
Wait, what did you order? Unlimited cocktail.
I ordered unlimited cocktail, and I'm lit. So we're walking somewhere, and I don't know where we're going. So
Oh yeah, we're in the middle of a police chase. There's a manhunt right going on right now.
we're at the Beverly Center. So we basically went to this place just to buy hats. We went to a Lids. Of all places, we went to a Lids. But it's okay. So they have different stops for Waymo?
No, it's just for rideshare. Rideshare is the same as Uber and Lyft. Oh shit, I remember this in GTA. Yeah. Oh, so this is where it comes from in GTA. It was like, because it leads into like shopping district.
As I'm drunk.
Yes, he has it.
I don't think they understand how drunk I am right now. Wow. Wow, so romantic. I wish I had a girlfriend. My hand is cold.
What? So you need like something to hold your hand?
Yo, this house feels lit.
Oh, this is either side.
This is where all the celebrities go.
Yeah, we all say that.
So we are trying out Waymo. It's the way to go.
So wait,
Is that the
it's
is
the
that
future.
the,
It's
is that
the
the
future.
is that the slogan?
The way to go? Oh yeah, I guess it is.
Actually, we saw a couple Waymos coming here or our trip, and I never seen anyone inside actually.
Yeah. Oh, there's options. What are the options? Oh no, come. That's where we are, right?
Spot one.
Hello. It's the new drop era. We're here in, where are we at? Beverly Center? We're, right now we're waiting for a Waymo.
Bum bum bum.
Gilly, what's a Waymo?
Waymo is a car that drives itself, no driver.
So, we're waiting.
AI.
AI. This is the future, folks.
That means Gilly cannot hit on the driver.
Yeah, unfortunately. It says about 5 minutes. So. Oh, no, it's stuck. It's stuck.
Oh God, you're making me nervous, bro.
Oh, it's behind the bus. That's why. It was
You're making me nervous about this car.
No, man. Are you recording? Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, we're gonna get the bus.
Oh, it's here, guys. What the fuck? Yo, there's no one driving the car.
Oh, there you go.
Open the door. Hello, sir.
Oh, hey,
How are you?
All right, everyone ready?
Oh.
Oh, seatbelts.
Wait, everyone's wearing their seatbelts? Hello, sir. How are you? How are you doing today?
Hello, from Waymo.
Oh, hello.
Just give us one minute to cover a few driving
Wait,
This is crazy. This is crazy.
feel futuristic. But
Yo.
the need to buckle up is the same as always.
This is nuts.
Fasten, please.
Like, whoa. Whoa.
Hey, they hung that Waymo, bro.
They hung on Waymo. Oh, CBS Studios.
So Waymo, how you doing today?
It's kind of silent.
Damn, just like in real life.
Oh.
This is not weird.
You gotta start with that delivery thing, right? That delivery robot, self-delivery robot bot.
Hmm?
Is it kind of like the self-delivery robot? That
So-
delivers food?
So what do they do with that?
What do you mean?
Like, what if someone steals the food inside? What happens?
I think it's locked.
It's locked until the person in. But people have like those little remote control robots.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
feel like it
people
has a
steal.
hard time like crossing streets.
It
Sometimes.
might. Waymo, it's your chance. It's your chance.
So what do? They drive it,
What?
or is this just fucking AI?
This is freaking AI.
Was it your brother who's godbrother who say like it's AI and then if it's stuck, someone controls it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's machine learning, but then someone, I believe, I think remotes into it or something.
I think that's what his godbrother said. Like they watch like a couple of them at the same time. If one gets stuck, they have to remotely control it.
Yeah. But everything is like, everything is what they call LiDAR, which is lasers, and it just constantly like sees what's going on. And then it just, according to its programming, like when it's safe to like go up.
So technically, you could sit on the passenger, like you could sit on the driver's seat, if you wanted to.
If you wanted to, but they don't allow it.
Oh.
Because you can fuck them up. You can fuck Waymo up, man. You don't want to fuck Waymo up, man.
I need to get this wheel moving.
I don't know, but you guys I'm kind of still drunk.
Drunk in a Waymo. Wicked.
Imagine you forgot you ordered the Waymo and then you wake up. No
You wake
Waymo.
up and there's a lot- I'm sure someone will shout at you. The support. Say, get out. Letting this car in. Oh, will Waymo let it? It's a Waymo, man. You're waving at no driver.
I got that.
Yeah, clip that one. Yeah, you gotta send that one. you gotta post that one.
Blue jeans.
Oh, dang! You called it, yo.
Waymo, you got a nice playlist.
Oh shit, I recognize this scooter.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Oh, that's a fast turn.
What the fuck?
That was a clean turn.
Yeah, that was pretty clean turn. Oh,
There's a bump, bro. There's a bump, bro.
He knows. Wow.
What the fuck? Dude, I'm too drunk for this, bro. I'm way too drunk.
Bye, Waymo.
It's been real.
We're good.
Bye bye.
Waymo.
You could leave now.
Finding next driver.
It's so cool. All right, final thoughts.
I like it.
That's pretty crazy, dude. There was some traffic where I was kind of questioning it and fucking took it like a champ.
Yeah, I was pretty much drunk the whole time.
Yeah.
All right, that's our review for the Waymo.
Check it out, LA. If you're in LA, it's only in a certain region, around like Beverly Hills. and
Will I
stuff.
do it again? Probably.
We're gonna probably do it again, yeah. All right, thanks.
Wow. Wow.
Nice.
It's snowing. Yo.
Oh, sorry.
I'm hungry all of a sudden. I'm so hungry. All right, guys, how do you guys feel about the 2-hour Uber ride?
I didn't even know. You know, 2-hour Uber ride? That's a 2-hour Uber ride.
Dude, I never experienced a 2-hour Uber ride in my life.
Did you fall asleep?
No.
No?
This place is lit.
Good thing we left slightly early. Yeah. Like, but they're like, oh, like, people like that. I used to be ranked by the state.
Oh, really?
Before there's actual.
What time?
I think the right side is broken. That's crazy.
The right side is kind of broken. The buttons are flipping, you know?
Yeah, I said that. Yeah. It is broken. It is broken, bro. It is broken. It's a little handicap on the right side.
Oh no.
Wow. Oh, it's not broken no more. He fixed it. That's crazy.
Found the button. No, this one. Oh no, it's not. All the buttons are flipped.
Oh. What the heck? Oh.
Tony, do it. Give her Tony, do it.
I started again.
all of the wagons?
They do. Oh, goodness. Oh,
No, we're running into time with that. Hold on, hold on, hold on.
no, no, go back up.
Okay.
Heaven something? Go to heaven?
7-Eleven heaven.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha!
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha! Happy birthday, Gil Gilbert.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
We're not done.
We're not done yet. We're not done. Yeah!
I'm with Yunjin over here. She doesn't know my name.
She doesn't know my name either.
What's my full name?
We just sang happy birthday to him.
No, that's not what they sang. God, okay, guys, I'm leaving. Nice to have you guys here.
Oh, okay. Goodbye.
Oh, I don't need that.
No, no, cut it up. Cut it up.
I'm leaving.
Yeah, you're supposed to mix up the egg with the ragu.
Oh, we're done?
Am I doing this right?
You're doing fantastic.
Okay, don't expose me. Right?
Danny. Eat it, eat it.
Danny.
We were trying to go our last journey.
Okay, sorry. Wait, and I grabbed it?
What happened, Vaughn?
Birthday boy lit. That's what happened.
No, I'm okay. I'm okay.
I'm okay.
Watch this. This is gonna be professional. Oh, it's recording already? Hey guys, I'm here at Chubby Cattle and we just finished dinner and I had a really great time. I had some good drinks and a lot of food. I'm here with my new friend Jenny, who forgot my name. And yes, so right now we're gonna go somewhere and get some bubble tea and talk about our day. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Peace. Oh my gosh, that's perfect.
Yeah, it's a perfect cat.
It's good.
I see.
Oh, he's getting closer, he's getting closer.
I would. Yeah. I'd go back this way.
Here?
This other way. This way.
Make a decision, man.
Oh, all the way to the
I
back.
would go more back.
You good?
No, it's gonna push it in. It's gonna push it in.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna try to get the head.
So everyone get in. Wait, yeah. One. Well, I can see 1, 2, 3.
Hey vlog,
Oh shoot.
we just had our last night here in LA.
We finished it good. Right? Lit.
I'm not sure if we have videos from the
Lit.
club, but we're
Oh
lit.
wait, I'm Lit. okay. I'm okay. We are lit.
But we want to appreciate everyone who stopped by and hung out with us this whole week.
Yes. Thank you everyone who made time for us. We appreciate it.
So
We love you all.
we'll do it again.
Yeah, we'll do it again.
Until next time, we'll see you guys later. I'm slowing my words.
Peace.